A number m is randomly selected from the set 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. And a number n is randomly selected from the set 1999, 2000, 2001 to 2018. What is the probability that m to the n has a units digit of 1? First, we'll look at 11 to the n here. So 11 to the n. The units digit will always be determined by multiplying, basically the units digit of 11 to the n will be the same as 1 to the n. We're only looking at the units digit. And 1 to the n, the units digit, will always be 1. Like 1 to the 1 is equal to 1, 1 to the 2 is equal to 1. So basically, 11 to the n will always have a units digit of 1. And so, therefore, the number of possibilities here, there are 20 numbers here. So therefore, in all 20 cases, the units digit will be 1. And the number of total possibilities, to come back to that, since there are 5 numbers here and there are 20 options for each of the exponents for these 5 numbers, the total possibilities is just going to be 5 times 20, which is 100. So in 11 to n, all 20 will have a units digit of 1. Now looking at 13 to the n. So here, we're looking at the 3. So 13 to the n, 13 to the 1 will have the same units digit as 3 to the 1, which is 3. And 13 to the 2 will have the same units digit as 3 to the 2, which is 9. And we can see the pattern here. So 3 to the 4, units digit will be 1. And then when we go to 3 to the 5th, it just cycles over again. So 3 to the 5th has the same units digit as 3 to the 1, 243. And then it keeps cycling over. So basically, every multiple of 4 will have a units digit of 1. And so the number of multiples of 4 in this set, then, 4 goes into 2000, 2004, and 2016 of that set. So there are 5 possibilities here, every multiple of 4. Now looking at 15 to the n, pretty quickly, I know that every multiple of 5, 5 to the 1, 5 to the 2, 5 to the 3, every multiple of 5 will always end in a 5. So actually, 15 to the n, that'll never end in a 1. So there are 0 possibilities there. Now looking at 17 to the n, so looking at 7. So 7 to the 1 is 7. And here the units digit is 1, and then it cycles over. So same situation where every multiple of 4 will have a units digit of 1. So that's the same case here. Every multiple of 4, 7 to the 2000, 2004, and so on, will get a units digit of 1, 17 to those exponents. So this will be the exact same as the number of possibilities will be 5, same as 13 to the n. And lastly, looking at 19 to the n. So here, 19, we can look at, here we're looking at 9. So 9 to the 1 is 9. 9 squared is 81. And then it just cycles over. So here it's multiples of 2. So every 2 every even power, we're going to get a units digit of 1. So that includes 2000, 2002, all the way to 2018. And so the number of possibilities here, number of numbers here, is 10. And so the total number of instances when the units digit is going to be 1, we just add all these up. So 20 plus 5 plus 0 plus 5 plus 10. 5 plus 0 plus 5 plus 10 is 40. Number of instances where the units digit is 1. And we said at the beginning, there are 100 total possibilities. So the probability that m to the n has a units digit of 1 is just the number of instances, which is 40, that we just found. The probability is that 40 over 100. And simplifying that is 2/5. So the answer is choice E.